How to clear search suggestions on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can clear search suggestions on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to clear your search suggestions on Instagram, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all open the Instagram application here. Then just hit the search button as you can find them. Once you hit the search button, let's say you just tap the search icon from the very top of the screen. Basically, you'll be able to see a list of your searches over here. Then once you see a list of your searches, if you're talking about this, then this is not your search suggestions. These are your search history. And to remove the search history, you just have to tap the see all button from the top right hand side of the screen. Tap the clear all button here and then tap on clear search history in order to delete your search history. Now sometimes you might be searching for a specific person in this case and then just hitting the search button. Then you'll see for you, and then here you'll see posts, and then you'll see all the suggested posts. If you're talking about this, these are basically some of the best results that Instagram might give you. So hope this video helped you understand your doubt as to how you can clear your search suggestions on Instagram. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.